Hi, Todd Wing from Manchester School in Windham, Maine, and the activity for today is the Titanic Escape. It's a team-building game where essentially the students need to move from one end of the gym to the other using only our makeshift icebergs. In team-building games, I'm really looking for communication to see what our strengths and weaknesses as a group are, and whether we complete this activity or not. Really, it's a good learning experience for the students. It helps them deal with frustration, helps them to recognize what the strengths and the weaknesses of the class are, and it's a great activity. Take a look, and I hope you enjoy it.
Here you are sitting on the Titanic, and your goal is to make it to dry land. Dry land is located over here at these yellow coves. Now, thankfully for you, you have all of these icebergs that are floating in our frigid sea. Now, using only the icebergs, you need to move across from the boat over the dry land. Now, you might think that's easy, but I have a few rules. Rule number one, once somebody steps on an iceberg, there needs to be at least one person on that iceberg in order for it to stay afloat. So if I were to go right here and then move right here, guess what? Nobody can use that iceberg. And every time an iceberg sinks, I'm going to place a cone on it to let you know that you cannot use that iceberg. So if I just go, ooh, good for me, woo! See what I'm doing? I'm stranding all of you on the boat. So knowing that will happen, what would be a logical move? Okay. Yeah. Listen. Have two people on an iceberg. All right. So join me, Lucas. You're in the water. Jump onto the iceberg. Aha. Now, would it be safe for me to move over here?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
One person has to stay on it.
Exactly. There has to be one person each time. So what I'm looking for is that you use communication. Look before you step. Work together. Okay? So that's rule number one. In order for an iceberg to stay afloat, there has to be somebody on it. Rule number two. If somebody falls off, everybody goes all the way back. Rule number three. You must be off the boat before anyone can go to dry land.
At this point, everyone is off the boat. Okay, everyone is off the boat. You may go to shore. Here's an example of the groups got separated. We have some students that got to shore, but the other students are landlocked, stuck on the icebergs with nowhere to go.